are in a Boston Pizza, the famous restaurant in Canada. I'm watching a cable from the bar. Okay, see, that's inside the bar. I'm eating jambalaya. I miss the jambalaya pasta with the bottomless iced tea. Having watching a Blue Jays, the Canada team in Toronto. So this is our vlog content. It's raining tonight. It's raining and cold, a little bit windy this tonight. So this is the bar. Always I'm sitting here in this seat with my friend, my co-worker, just to make this vlog because there's no cooking in the house for now. So I need to eat immediately because I'm hungry after work. So this is my decision, and this is the city in Canada, one of the famous brewings. There's a team in this city. Okay, and these are the other team, the other uniform in the whole Canada's local. Okay. Okay, so guys, if you want in the famous restaurant in Canada, is a Boston Pizza. Okay, clean, nice smell, nice music, video with cable ready. You can play billiard over there. This is an old vlog, but I need to watch the Blue Jays in the watch the TV. Okay. Watching baseball. Okay, in the bar. Okay, so subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, so see you guys. That's all. See you guys. That's all. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. A jambalaya spicy pasta. Okay, so that's all. If you want to eat delicious food and clean and a little bit cheaper, so you can eat now as long as you want. Okay, this vlog. Let's wait until it's coming. Just to enjoy this moment because it's payday, so I need to taste after 4 days work in my current employer. So I'm waiting the oil paid salary for now, just to share this vlog to you for upcoming next video. So subscribe until I see the food for tonight, my supper. watch NBA, all the sports in this bar. So I like this spot to watch video, this channel. Oh, yes, 50-50. Okay, so this is our supper for the day plus takeout. Jambalaya. My all-time favorite jambalaya. Okay. Wow. Again, huh? Okay. I wanna taste now. Jambalaya. With bottomless Big Mac. This is my supper for tonight before I'm drinking my wine made in Spain. Okay. Lots of meat, nice pasta with spicy, with condiments. Wow, amazing. I love it. The taste of cheese and the pasta with shrimp, black bell pepper, and sausage. Okay, I love it. Okay. We're watching Blue Jays. That's the team in Canada. The Blue Jays. Nice. I love it. This is my style. 50 takeout, 50 dine in. Okay? So, guys, hit the notification bell for upcoming latest video. Okay? We're gonna eat the jambalaya pasta in Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay? Yummy. Okay, so guys, that's all. Canada, Saskatchewan, in the mall of Boston Pizza. Okay. My ultimate one of favorite restaurant in Canada. So see you guys. That's all. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, bye. See you.